guys, my name is Angie. I want to show you logic. God. So today, guys, right now I'm eating macaroni with cheese, and I think it was a bit of Jason spilled a bit on my desk a little bit. I don't know why, but actually, do I plan on turning my I just said desks, and you know what? Offices have desks. Should I plan on turning to my room into an office? I'm not really quite sure because I make videos. So here's how I do it. I started my logic here, but no one really knows how hard it actually is to make them because I officially have writing lots and lots of scripts. You see that there are lots and lots of scripts. Why do I plan on writing scripts? Why can't I just click on my videos? Why can't I just click rec and say hello and just read a little script? Well, first of all, I need lots of people. Why do I need lots of people? Why? In this video, you can't hear a person behind me, or no one's even joining in me. Well, because they are writing it, so they're copying it and sending me to a website, to a sharing website, so like sharing in letters. And so I'm writing that right now, and learning my lines. I have my brother. What's in my scripts? My sister's friend, I think Lisa, I'm not quite sure, and my brother's friend, Joshua, and my friend Joshua, because we're the same friends. Now, I am even writing my own scripts as well, right now, but you can't see it. It looks really cool. Let me show you how they look like. A bit like this round. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You can see how my scripts look like, and I'll see you later. Bye. And also, guys, yeah, bye.